The leading brand in industrial lubrication systems. Zhonghua Chen Ying Oil Machine is the leading brand in the centralized lubrication systems industry. The company was established in 1978, specializing in oil and grease lubrication products, such as manual lubricators, electric lubricators, oil pumps, oil and grease distributors, and a complete range of accessories. With over 35 years of professional manufacturing expertise, the Chen Ying R&D team can specifically customize products to meet the customer's specifications and requirements. In addition, Chen Ying continues to develop new products every year in order to meet the demand for efficiency and quality. Since its inception, Chen Ying has been widely acclaimed by the machinery industry and has achieved a domestic market share of over 50%. It maintains stable annual growth despite global economic fluctuations and currently holds the position of top Taiwanese centralized lubrication systems manufacturer. Integrity, professionalism, and quality receives much attention and care. Whether in market share, quality, innovation, management, or service, Chen Ying is a pivotal manufacturer of industrial lubrication systems. An image of integrity, professionalism, and quality is deeply rooted in the mind of Chen Ying's customers, and through the years, Chen Ying has received a high degree of recognition and trust. Currently, Taiwan's machine export value is among the top 5 in the global market, and approximately 50% of these machines are equipped with Chen Ying lubrication systems. Chen Ying is not only committed to enhancing the quality of domestic lubrication systems, but also to bringing the best products to the Taiwan machinery industry. Chen Ying believes that passionate devotion to work combined with business partners can together boost Taiwan's economy through perseverance and hard work, even during the global recession. Chen Ying's products are marketed worldwide throughout Europe, the US, Asia, and the Middle East, and distribution is continually expanding. When participating in international machine tool exhibitions, Chen Ying is always a must-see booth for attendees from around the world. Committed to pursuing quality, widely recognized by awards. Chen Ying has always been committed to the business philosophy of integrity, professionalism, and quality, and always sources the best quality parts and the most durable components utilized in the assembly of each product. Chen Ying is continually pursuing excellence and faces every product challenge with the most stringent attitude. Even though some details might not be important to some customers, Chen Ying will not compromise its product quality by making trivial shortcuts. With an insistence on overall quality, Chen Ying not only obtained PSI's ISO 9001 quality certification and CE certifications, but also received a Taiwan Excellence Award and Golden Hand Award. These are all examples of the recognition earned by Zhonghua Chen Ying, and this continued recognition is what maintains Chen Ying's status in the leading position in Taiwan's lubrication industry and into its growing global position. Professional R&D that sustains an eternal leadership position. Customers' growth is our growth. Chen Ying is a premier manufacturing company of centralized lubrication systems and has always been committed to engaging in innovative R&D. Years years of R&D achievements have won Chen Ying project subsidies from the Ministry of Economic Affairs on many occasions, assisting Chen Ying in producing many newly patented products unique to Taiwan's current industrial sector, which can greatly reduce customer costs, enhance machinery equipment performance, and which are acclaimed immediately upon release. Chen Ying pushes itself to develop more user-friendly, advanced, and diverse products, even long before customers request them. Partner to the machinery industry, walking together towards the world stage. Throughout its 35-year history, Chen Ying has developed a solid relationship with many industry partners and suppliers. Everyone is invited to walk together with Chen Ying onto a global stage. For integrity, professionalism, and quality are valued.